Welcome to a Geography lesson, Grade 7, The Identity of Sri Lanka, Part 1, Geographical Identity. The geographical identification of Sri Lanka. We can explain the location of my country using two ways: relative location, specific location. Do you know what is the meaning of relative location? Showing the location of a country based on land and oceans in its immediate surrounding is called relative location. Now I am going to explain the relative location of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is an island. It is in the Indian Ocean and it is located in the Asian continent. Sri Lanka is in the South Asia and closer to Indian subcontinent. India and Sri Lanka are separated by Pork Strait, and it is a strip of sea with width of 32 kilometers. On the west of Sri Lanka there is African continent and the Antarctic continent is in the south. Australian continent lies on the southeast of the island. Bay of Bengal is the important landmark of the land and it is in the northeast of Sri Lanka. The Arabian Sea, which is in the northwest of the island, is another important landmark. Our next topic is specific location, showing the location of a country with reference to longitudes and latitudes is called specific location. Let us see how to describe the specific location of Sri Lanka. When we observe in the external specific location of the island, it is situated between 5 degree 55 and 90 degree 55 latitude and 79 degree 41 east longitude and 81 degree 53 east longitude. Now I am going to describe about the total area of Sri Lanka. The total area of Sri Lanka is 65,610 square kilometers. The length of the country is 432 kilometers from Point Pedro to Dondra Head. The width of the country is 223 kilometers from Colombo to Sangaman Point. When we are studying about the geographical identity of Sri Lanka, it is important to know about the sea limit zone of Sri Lanka. As Sri Lanka is an island in the Indian Ocean, it has got a large sea area. In 16 November 1995, the International Convention of the Sea was signed, and according to that, countries bounded by the sea were given territorial sea area of 12 nautical miles. Accordingly, as there are no nearby countries close to Sri Lanka except India, Sri Lanka has got a very big territorial sea area. Now I am going to describe about benefits of having a large sea area. We can develop our fishing industry. We doesn't have a boundary problems. We can promote our tourist industry. We can enjoy a good protection because of the sea. We get a higher rainfall with conventional rain. Next I am going to describe about relief zones of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka can be divided into three relief zones: coastal plain, intermediate plain, central hill plain. Now I am going to show the relief zones of Sri Lanka. The green color part shows the coastal plain. The white color part shows the intermediate plain. The brown color part shows the central hills. Shall we see the topographical features in central hills? First one is mountain ranges. Do you know what is the meaning of mountain ranges? A group of mountains standing together is called mountain ranges. Examples: Namunukula, Knuckles. Second one is plateaus. Plateau means a flat land on a higher area. Examples: Velimada. Third one is valleys. Valley is a V-shaped lowland between two mountains. Examples: Alla Valley, Bhagawantalawa. Fourth one is waterfalls. Do you know what is the meaning of waterfalls? Waterfall is a river falling down from escarpment. Examples: Devon, Dunhinda, Ramboda. Fifth one is gaps. Gap is a steep lowland between two mountains. Examples: Alla, Ohio. Now I am going to describe about topographical features of intermediate plain in Sri Lanka. First one is residual hills. Do you know what is the meaning of residual hill? Residual hill is a small high area on a flat land. Examples: Mihintale, Sigiriya. Second one is plains. Plain is a large area of flat land with few trees. Examples: Wasgamuwa, Udawalawe. Shall we see the topographical features on coastal plain? First one is broad plains. Examples: Vilpattu, Yala. Second one is bays. Do you know what is the meaning of bay? Bay is a patch of water surrounded by land on three sides. Bay has a wider mouth. Examples: Waligama Bay, Arugam Bay. Third one is lagoons. Lagoon is a small patch of water surrounded by land on three sides. Lagoons have a narrow mouth and they have brackish water. Examples: Batticaloa Lagoon, Kalpitiya Lagoon. Fourth one is points. Do you know what is the meaning of point? Point is a small piece of land surrounded by water of three sides. Examples: Donrahead, Point Pedro. Fifth one is islands. Island is a small land area surrounded by water. Examples: Delph Island, Kites Island. When we are identifying Sri Lanka, we should learn about the climate in Sri Lanka. Because Sri Lanka is located in the tropical zone, higher annual temperature is about 27 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Has no winter. Receive well distributed rainfall through the year. In Sri Lanka, the rainfall occurs in three ways: monsoonal rains, conventional rains, cyclones. The periodical winds blowing into the country from southwest and northeast are called monsoons. Southwest monsoon rain occurs in May, June and July. Because of the wind blows through a broad sea area, it gives heavy rain to western and southwestern parts of Sri Lanka. Northeast monsoon rains occurs in November, December and January. Because that wind blows through a narrow sea area, it's lower rain than southwest monsoon rain. Northern and eastern part of Sri Lanka receives that rain. Shall we talk about convectional rain? It occurs in April, March, September and October. It is a rain with thunder. It occurs throughout the year, but it gets subdued once monsoon is active. Now I am going to explain about cyclone. It occurs in October, November and December. It is a rain with strong winds. Cyclones occur due to the air disturbances in the Bay of Bengal. At last, I am going to give some important facts. Dry weather condition prevails in Sri Lanka during the month of February and August. Tall trees grow in the forest in wet zone. Grasslands and padnas can be seen in closer to the plateaus. Thorny bushes and shrubs grow in the dry zone. Mangroves are found close to coastal lagoons. We can experience variation of relief, climate and the vegetation cover in Sri Lanka. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. I will come soon with my next video, The Identity of Sri Lanka, Part 2, Social Identity.